then your whole energy shifts, and that's when you can start attracting miracles. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. If you're new here, my channel is all about law of attraction, manifesting, meditations, and more, so be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you. Today's video is all about powerful affirmations to use each morning in order to attract miracles. I know that probably sounds crazy. How can saying something at the beginning of your day change everything? But I'm telling you, when you use these affirmations, it literally shifts the energy and you can start to attract miracles. So let's jump right in. So the first affirmation that I want to share with you today is one of my favorites. I mentioned it in my morning routine video. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link up here and a link down below. But this affirmation is the game changer. This is the affirmation that opened me up to so many miracles that I can't even count and tell all the stories about everything that's happened since I started using this affirmation. And it's on the mug. I have these MK mantra mugs on my website, but one of my favorites, and I drink out of it all the time, is I am ready for magic. So on the front, it says, I am ready for magic. And on the back, it says, and open to receive unlimited abundance. So the reason I like these mugs is that it gives you kind of a reminder as you're starting your day, something to focus on and ground yourself for that day. So I have a couple of these that I drink out of literally all the time, but it's just kind of something to play around with that day and energy to play around with that day. But when you say, I am ready for magic, when you put that out there to the universe, it's like you are putting yourself in an energy to receive. And when you're in an energy to receive, that's when things just happen for you. That's when miracles come your way. When you say, I am ready for magic, it signals to the universe that you are expecting magical things to happen. And in return, the universe delivers them to you. So I am ready for magic. Try it out today. Let me know how it goes. Leave me a comment below if you agree. I am ready for magic. And before we jump into the next affirmation that I want to talk about, be sure to give this video a thumbs up right down there below. It really helps out my channel and it helps this video reach more people. And I love making these videos for you. So go ahead, hit that little thumbs up button right down there. The next affirmation I want to share with you today is, today I will be led to the people, places, and things to make my dreams come true. Today I will be led to the people, places, and things to make my dreams come true. If you think about that statement, it really takes the pressure off of you to be forcing everything to happen, to be making everything happen. It takes all of that pressure off of you to try and go out there and force everything to work for you and make everything happen yourself. It gives you back that co-creative power where you do your part and you let the universe support you. When you trust that you are going to be led to the right people, places, and things, that opens up the doors and makes you get out of your head about the how and the when and the why and all of those things that don't matter and aren't up to you. Your job is to put the intention out, to remove all of the resistance and negative beliefs you hold that are blocking you from having it. You ask for guidance, you take the action, and that's how things manifest into your life, put very simply. There are a lot of other kind of concepts that go into it, but that's just basically how the law of attraction works. So when you give back that power to the universe of allowing the universe to lead you to the people, places, and things that are going to make your dreams come true, that takes back that co-creative power where it's not up to you to make everything happen. It's not up to you to force things to work out for you. It gives back that balance of that co-creative power, and it's such a great affirmation to tap into each day. I am sure you've heard it before, but gratitude is one of the highest frequencies to attract the things that you want. I actually have 2 resources on my channel that you are going to want to check out. I will leave a link for both of them. One is my gratitude meditation and my manifesting what you want meditation using the gratitude frequency. So those are 2 resources. I will leave the links down below. Be sure to check them out. But gratitude attracts more things to be grateful for. If you are grateful, you will attract more things to be grateful for. And it's not hard to be grateful. I find a lot of people try and overthink it and they're like, well, I'm not where I want to be. I don't have this. I don't have this. I didn't manifest this. But if you really truly look around, you have so much to be grateful for. I guarantee it. I don't know your personal life. I don't know your experiences, but if you have a roof over your head, you have clean water, you have friends or family, you have food to eat, your heart is beating right now, your lungs are breathing, you are alive, which is a miracle in itself if you think about it, but you are a miracle. Be grateful. Be grateful for having a quiet moment to yourself. Be grateful for the way your clothes feel in your skin. Be grateful for the warm blanket that's on you. Like, just find something to be grateful for. That's the best way into it. Find something to be grateful for. So the affirmation I want to share with you is, I am grateful for the miracles happening today. I am grateful for the miracles happening today. You put it in present tense. You're putting the expectation out that you're expecting miracles that day, and you're feeling grateful for the miracles happening before they're even happening, so you can attract more of them. What you focus on expands. I am grateful for the miracles happening today. Simple, easy, one of the best ones. And before we continue, I don't want to overwhelm you. You don't have to say every one of these affirmations every single morning. Play around with them. This is just resources and tools for you to use. Play around with them. See what you connect to. See what works for you. See if you want to play around in the energy of different ones each day. Play around with them. This is your practice. These are just things that have worked for me that I wanted to share with you. I don't want this video to go on too long, so I will leave you with one final affirmation to play around with. And this affirmation is one that's in my Create program. If you want to find out more information, I will leave a link up here and a link down there. But inside of Create, every single month, you get exclusive meditations from me that can't be found on YouTube. They all use subconscious programming, and they are so good. There's one called the Money Vortex, and people have had kind of insane financial results from it. You also get a workbook, you get affirmations, you get a law of attraction training video from me, you get a Q&A with me. Yes, you get to ask me your questions. It is such an insanely valuable membership program. So if you want to find out information, I highly recommend it. There's affirmation, journal prompts, workbooks. There's so much content inside. So be sure to check that out. But the affirmation that I want to share with you is, everything gets to be easy for me. Everything gets to be easy for me. When you can tap into that place of allowing things to be easy, you will be amazed at how open you are to receive and how easy it becomes. A lot of the time, we follow all these manifesting steps. We do all the things we think we're supposed to be doing, but we end up blocking ourselves from having the things we want because we stand in our own way and we feel like we have to just keep trying and saying the affirmations and following the steps and journaling and scripting and doing it. But when you allow it to just be easy, that gets you out of your own way and it opens you up to receive. And when you want to receive things, you want to be in that place of ease. The path of least resistance to have what you want is allowing it to be easy. So when you affirm, everything gets to be easy for me, you can relax into that and play in that energy of knowing that everything is going to be easy for you, because it is, because that's what you expect. Do you get what I'm saying? So play around with that energy of allowing it to be easy for you, allowing things to come to you more easily without having to try and force it or make it happen. It's not up to you to make it happen. Always remember that. It's a co-creation. You do your part, the universe meets you halfway. Whatever energy you put out is what you get back. Whatever you focus on expands. Co-creation. I would love to hear from you. What is your favorite affirmation that I shared, and what will you be playing around with? Leave me a comment below. I love reading all of your comments, and I try and respond to all of them as well. And be sure to check out my Instagram at mkmagicmindset. I share a ton of motivational content, inspirational content, tips, tricks, resources, and more, so be sure to check it out. And also be sure to visit my website, mkmagicmindset.com. There you can find out more about the Create program that I talked about, and you can find tips, tricks, resources, meditations, and more. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And as always, give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already done it at the beginning of the video. Just do it now. It takes 1 second. And I will see you in the next one.